People may hear your words, but they feel your attitude. Adam C. Maxwell. The idea that attraction flourishes in a swamp of anxiety, selfishness, and uncertainty doesn't sit well with men who prefer to believe that love and attraction exist in perfect harmony. Love and attraction can exist in harmony, but to have love, you must first have attraction. It's a classic case of the chicken or the egg. Which comes first? If your goal is to build attraction with women, it's crucial to separate the sweet, tender nature of love from the harsh reality of attraction. Love does exist, and it does grow out of attraction, but if you think you must be sweet, caring, and kind to win a woman's heart, you're sure to be disappointed. Throughout this book, we've explored a multitude of ways to create, build, and maintain attraction. There is, however, one area we're yet to touch on. That is how to make yourself irresistible to women, to find the elusive X factor in attraction. We know the X factor is real, but for most men, any attempt to harness the power of attraction and channel its energy remains elusive. The X factor continues to remain an abstract concept, in much the same way that nuclear fission remained an abstract concept until the day Trinity, the first atomic bomb, exploded into reality in 1945. Right now you hold in your hands all the concepts and theories of attraction. Bringing these theories into reality, however, requires its own kind of nuclear fission. For this to happen, you must be able to turn theory into reality by smashing abstract concepts together, like atoms. Only then, when you look into the blast crater, can you catch a glimpse of the elusive X factor. Attitude. Attitude is everything. Men who are smart, handsome, educated, and who understand key concepts of attraction often come to me with a complaint that women still don't find them attractive. Women often tell these men how nice they are, effectively telling these men that they have no attraction for them whatsoever. Men who are considered anti-seductive lack that all-important element of attraction, attitude. They smile too much. They're too nice. They're unsure of themselves. They communicate with weak words like perhaps, maybe, and possibly. Words that mirror the uncertainty of their mind. When women snap at them, act bitchy, and try to push them around, these men tolerate the abuse without putting up the slightest amount of resistance. Bringing an edge to your character doesn't mean being an asshole. It means eradicating your desire to please and be nice. If a woman calls you a nice guy, take it as an insult, not a compliment. If a woman has the audacity to call you nice, you mustn't respond with thanks. Instead, you must respond by telling her to shut the fuck up. What, she says, shocked by your crude response. She looks around, feeling slightly uncomfortable. Still think I'm nice? She laughs. Maybe not, but you're certainly a lot more attractive.
Now, if you want to know how to maintain attraction in both long and short-term relationships, I highly recommend you get a copy of my book, Atomic Attraction. You can pick up a copy today by clicking on the link on this video or below. And if you need help with a specific relationship problem, I do Skype and email consultations. And if you just want to get in touch, send me an email. I love to hear from you guys. Talk soon.